Peace TV, the solution for humanity.
Good evening, Doctor. I have been coming regularly to your Peace TV conferences for last so many years. My question is, I am in a situation of two families, both are Muslim families. I know the boy, I know the girl, the families. I have been the media coordinator of those boy and girl, and they are going to get married. So can a non-Muslim be a witness of the agreeing family and the boy and girl to the nikah?
Brother asked a very good question. That he has two friends, both are Muslims, one from the girl's side, one from the boy's side. He's the mediator, he knows both of them and he got them together. Can he be a witness to the marriage of?
As they are telling me to be the witness.
As they're telling me to be the witness. Can you be? You can be, under one condition only. Condition is applied. If you bear witness that there's no God but Allah and Prophet Muhammad is a messenger, you can even be a witness to the nikah.
Thank you.
Hope that answers the question.
Thank you.